I believe I already mentioned that Hamas not only killed pets on the 7th of October, they sometimes even decapitated them, and now apparently they also have stolen some of those dogs, or at least they did steal one dog. Billy. On the 7th of October, this dog went missing, but last week, in Gaza, when the IDF troops of the Golani division were just doing what they do best, and this little fellow just came running to the soldiers and they brought him back home to Israel, to its owner. And that's nice, like that's really unbelievable, incredible nice. But do you know that that's not the first time that the soldiers of Israel rescued somebody and brought them back to their family? In 2014, IS butchered thousands of Yazidi people. They raped women and they stole again thousands and thousands and thousands of girls and women, and they gave them away or they sold them to other disgusting people. And this woman was 11 years old when she was stolen out of Iraq and she ended up in Gaza. You know what it means when women are held as a slave, don't you? Israel has set her free and reunited her with her family. So, whose side are you on?